Hello friends, today I have brought for you all the Realme GT 6T phone, which is much talked about in the market, so let's go. This smartphone boasts a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display, with a resolution of 1264x2780 pixels, a 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR support. It's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring durability and resilience. Equipped with a Qualcomm SM7675 Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, 4nm chipset, this device features an octa-core CPU, including a powerful Cortex-X4 core. The Adreno 732 GPU ensures smooth graphics performance. Users can choose between 128 GB storage with 8 GB RAM or 512 GB storage with 12 GB RAM, providing ample space for storage and efficient multitasking. The smartphone's main camera setup includes a 50MP primary sensor with PDAF and OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 32MP selfie camera. It supports 4K video recording at 30/60 FPS and boasts advanced stabilization features. With a 5500 mAh non-removable battery and 120W wired charging, this device offers impressive battery life and rapid charging capabilities. If friends you like our review or this phone or want to buy it, you can buy it from the link given in our description. And please subscribe.